Hello everyone, welcome back to Indemi Student Channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about VBA with Excel and how to record macros. This chapter is intended for those who are not familiar with the Excel and the Excel macro recorder, or who are inexperienced with programming using the Visual Basic language. Specifically, this chapter covers the following topics: the Excel macro recorder, user-defined function, the Excel object model, and VBA programming concept. So yeah, the Excel macro recorder operates very much like recorder that stores the greeting on your telephone answering, for example. To record a greeting, you first prepare yourself by rehearsing the greeting to ensure that it says what you want. Then you switch on the recorder and deliver the greetings. When you have finished, you switch off the recorder and that's it. Now you have a recording that automatically plays when you have a call unanswered. Okay, let's go to the Excel file, right? Let us first open our Microsoft Excel. In this video, I'm using Microsoft 365. If you don't have developer tab, you can directly go to, let's say, go to File and then Option. Then go to Customize Ribbon and then tick Developer tab here. Okay, and then let's jump to our topic again. Say you want a macro that types 6 month names at 3-letter abbreviation, January to June, across the top of your worksheets, starting in a cell B1, for example, because I know this is rather a silly macro because you could do this easily, right? Like with an autofill, let's say January, February, and then just autofill, then that's it. But this example will serve to show you some important general concepts. So let me delete again here. Okay, in this case, start with an empty worksheet with a cell A1 selected, and then select the developer tab and then click record macros here, and then here macro box dialog displayed. In the macro name, place the default entry such as macro 1 with the name you want for your macros. The name should start with a letter and contain only letters, numbers, and the underscore character with a maximum length of 255 characters. The macro name must not contain special characters such as exclamation points or question marks, nor should it contain blank space, like a Taylor Swift blank space. Okay, enough. Okay, it is also best to use a short but descriptive name that you will recognize later. You can use also underscore character to separate words, but it's easy to just use capitalization to distinguish words. Okay, we call it macro month names 1. Okay, let's see. Names 1. Okay, because you will create another version later, so yeah, I think this is also good enough. In this shortcut key box, you can type single letter. This key can be pressed later while holding down Control key to run the macro. In this case, I will use case M. Alternatively, you can also use an uppercase M. In this case, when you later want to run a macro, you need to use the keystroke combination Control Shift M because you're using capital M. It is not mandatory to provide a short key. You can run a macro in a number of other ways, as you will see. In the description box, for example, here, you can add text that will add it as comment to the macro. These lines will appear at the top of your macro code and they have not significance to VBA but provide you and others with the information about the macro. Let's say it's a month macros. Let's say all Excel macros are stored in the workbooks. You are given a choice regarding where the record macro will be stored. The stored macro in combo list here has 3 possibilities. If you're choosing, let's say, new workbook, the recorder will open a new empty workbook for the macro. Personal macro workbook refers to a special hidden workbook, which is discussed in a moment. We choose this workbook to store the macro in the currently active workbook. When you have filled in the record macro dialog box, click the OK button here, and then you will see stop recording here appear on the left side of the status bar at the, let's say, at the bottom of the screen here. Yeah, and you will also notice that the start recording button in the ribbon has been replaced by a new stop recording button here. Right, so and then I will try to type January and then February and then just step it there. Here, let's say until June, yeah, as we discussed. Okay, and then just stop recording. That's it. And then when you try to, let's say, recall your macros, you can just easily click macros and then month name, just run it, and then voila, it's appear automatically, right? Okay, so yes, that's it for today's video. We will be learning more about VBA in Excel as we move through the course. Thank you for watching this video, and again, since it's quite hard for me to create this video, show me some support by pressing the like button and fill in the comment box if you have any question regarding VBA. Don't forget to subscribe because there will be more videos are coming, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye. Bye.